exercise 4.3. Find the root of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing square. So first one is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So what is a middle term? Formula middle term is equal to, or last term also you can say LT. LT is equal to middle term square 4 into first term. Is it? So LT is equal to middle term. What is a middle term? 7. So 7 sevens are 49 minus 7. So 7 sevens are 49 minus into minus x square. X into x square upon 4 into first term. First term is 2x square. So x square cancel. So 4 2s are 8. So last term should be 49 upon 8. So rearrange that now. So now we have 2x square minus 7x plus 49 by 8. You have to subtract it 49 by 8 because you added. What left was initially was plus 3. So plus 3 is equal to 0. This becomes perfect square. Okay. So what is the root of this? Root 2x minus 7. Root of 7 is 7. Or 49 is 7. 8 is 2 root 2. So it is 2 root 2 whole square. Simplify this by taking LCM. So you'll get 8, 49, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is equal to 0. So what I get? Root 2x minus 7 upon 2 root 2 whole square minus 49 means 25 left. 25 by 8 is it equal to 0. So 2x minus 7 by 2 root 2 whole square minus 5 is it 5 upon 2 root 2 root 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now it becomes a square minus b square formula. Is it? If we apply a minus b, what I get? 2 root x minus 7 upon 2 root 2 minus 5 upon 2 root 2 into root 2x minus 7 upon 2 root 2 plus 5 by 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Is it? This is equal to 0. So we have 2x root 2x minus 7 upon 2 root 2 minus 5 2 root 2. Okay, this equal to 0, or root 2x minus 7 by 2 root 2 plus 5 upon 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Is it? So this constant you take on that side. So you get it root 2x is equal to, both will become plus 7 upon 2 root 2 plus 5 2 root 2. Is it? So you get root 2x is equal to LCM is 2 root 2 7 plus 5. Okay. So root 2x is equal to, what is 7 plus 5? 12. 12 upon 2 root 2. Is it? So this will cancel out. So we will get 6. So root 2x is equal to 6 upon root 2. Root 2 and root 2 will multiply. So what will become? Here we write. So it will become 2x is equal to what do we get? 6. So x is equal to 3. So one value will be x is equal to 3. Second, the same way here, root 2 x is equal to, this will go on that side, it will become plus, this will become minus. So we can say that here 7 2 root 2 minus 5 2 root 2. Is it? This is equal to 0. So 2 root 2x is equal to, this is 2 root 2 is LCM, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So it is 2 upon 2 root 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel. Root 2 will multiply with root 2, it will become 2. So 2x is equal to 1. Is it? Here. So x is equal to 1 by 2. 2x square minus, plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So again LT. LT means last term, middle term square, 4 into first term. Is it? So LT is equal to, middle term is what? X. So x square, 4 into first term is 2x square. X square cancel. So LT is equal to 1 upon 8. Okay. So now last term should be 1 upon 8. So now we have 2x square plus x plus 1 by 8. We added 1 by 8, you have to subtract 1 by 8, and what was there with you? Minus 4 is equal to 0. This become perfect. So how we can write? Root 2x plus 1 by 8 is what? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 whole square. Now we have to simplify this. Minus 8 is LCM. So 1 minus 8 4s are 32 is equal to 0. Right? So it become root 2x plus 2 root 2 whole square minus it will become 33 by 8 is equal to 0. So how we'll get it is root 2x plus 1 upon 2 root 2 whole square. Okay, this will become root 33 upon 2 root 2 square is equal to 0. So a minus b, a plus b. So root 2x plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 33, okay, by 2 root 2 into root 2x plus 1 upon 2 root 2 plus root 33 upon 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so what we get here in places? Root 2x plus plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus 33 upon 2 root 2, okay, equal to 0. Or this is also equal to this is root 2x plus 2 root 2 plus root 33 upon 2 root 2 is equal to 0. This will move on that side. So 2 root 2x is equal to, this will be positive, so it will be written 33 2 root 2 first. This will be minus, so minus 1 upon 2 root 2. In places 2 root 2x is equal to, you will have to take LCM, which is 2 root 2. Is it? 2 root 2. So it is 33 minus 1. Okay. So nothing can be cancelled out. 2 will go that side, so 2 will come here. So root x, it is not possible. X, I think this is wrong. This is root 2x. root 2x. So what is the value of x? 33 root 33 minus 1. 2 will come on this side, so root 2 will come, root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. It is 4. Here also it is root 2x is equal to, both are plus, so we'll keep in the bracket 1 up root 33 upon 2 root 2 as a LCM. Is it? So now root 2 will multiply there, so x is equal to minus 1 upon root 33 upon, if we multiply here, 2 2s are 4, so it will become 4. This is the value of x. 4x square plus 4 root 3, x is outside, plus 3 is equal to 0. So again we'll find the last term only. So middle term square, 4 into first term. So LT, middle term, 16. Root 3 means 3, x square, upon 4. First term is 4, x square. X square has been 4, 4s are 16. So last term what we get is should be 3 only. So this is a perfect square. Got it? So this is a perfect square. It is given a perfect square only. So how we'll write it now? In perfect squares form, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So root of 4 is 2x plus sign. What is the root of this? 3 whole square is equal to 0. Okay. So in places do like this, 2x plus root 3 into 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0. In places 2x is equal to minus root 3 or 2x is equal to minus root 3. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Is it? Or x is also minus root 3 by 2. Okay, this is all.